Hello, dear friends. This is Foam Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. And also write your feedback in the comments if this video helped you, or if you have any questions. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to copy the link to the story on Instagram. If you've posted a story, by clicking here, you'll see that there's no share button for the story. So how do you copy it? It's very simple. To do that, you need to go to a second account or ask a friend to go to your page. When you access your profile from another account, click on your story. At the top, click on the three dots, and you click on Copy Link. Now you can send it out. So that's a great way to copy the link to your story on Instagram. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, don't forget to leave your feedback below this video. If you like this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. And also watch other useful videos on the channel. That was Foam Support. Bye bye. See you later.